Welcome to a journey of discovery about Orchis latifolia, a natural wonder that enhances strength, vitality, and supports sexual health. Delve into the world of natural remedies with Orchis latifolia, known for its remarkable benefits in boosting overall well-being. Discover the secret to vitality and strength through the power of Orchis latifolia, a true ally in your journey to improved health. Unlock the potential of Orchis latifolia, a natural source of support for your body's strength and vitality. Enhance your well-being with Orchis latifolia, a botanical treasure that nurtures your vitality and supports sexual health. Join us in exploring the benefits of Orchis latifolia, a natural solution for enhancing strength, vitality, and promoting sexual health. Embrace the power of Orchis latifolia, a botanical marvel that uplifts your strength, vitality, and overall well-being. Experience the natural support of Orchis latifolia, a key to unlocking your potential for strength, vitality, and sexual health. Let Orchis latifolia guide you towards a path of enhanced strength, vitality, and holistic well-being. Discover the natural essence of Orchis latifolia, a source of vitality, strength, and support for sexual health. Unveil the wonders of Orchis latifolia, a botanical gem that enriches your life with strength, vitality, and sexual health benefits. Immerse yourself in the natural goodness of Orchis latifolia, a holistic approach to enhancing strength, vitality, and sexual well-being. Elevate your health journey with Orchis latifolia, a natural remedy that empowers you with strength, vitality, sexual health support. Revel in the benefits of Orchis latifolia, a botanical marvel that rejuvenates your strength, vitality, and overall health. Nourish your body and soul with Orchis latifolia, a natural elixir for strength, vitality, and sexual health enhancement. Let Orchis latifolia be your companion in the quest for strength, vitality, and a harmonious balance in your life. Embark on a transformative journey with Orchis latifolia, the key to unlocking your full potential in strength, vitality, and sexual well-being. Incorporate Orchis latifolia into your wellness routine and witness the remarkable changes in your strength, vitality, and sexual